Okay, for this assignment, this is going to give you an opportunity to utilize looping structures. You're going to be able to use while loops, do while loops, or for loops. This is completely up to you. You are going to read in values from the user. You're going to continue prompting the user to enter positive integers. If the user does not enter a positive integer, you're just going to prompt the user again and say that was not a positive integer and ask them to enter another one. Okay, and if the user does enter a positive integer, you are going to determine whether that number is prime or composite. To determine whether a number is prime, that means that no other integer smaller than that number is able to divide evenly other than 1. So you need to check and make sure that there's no other integer that is able to divide it evenly other than 1 and itself. That would be the definition of a prime number. If the number is composite, you are going to determine the largest integer that divides that number evenly. One way that you can go about doing this is that you can create a loop where you're starting off at 1 less than the number, and you will iterate down all the way until you get to the number 2. And if any of those numbers divides it evenly, which you can check that by just using the modulus operator and seeing if the answer is 0, if any of those numbers divides it evenly, then you will say that the number is composite. If you get all the way down to 2 and the number 2 does not divide it evenly and no other number all along the way down divides it evenly, then you can conclude that the number is composite. That the number is prime. If the number is composite and you started at 1 less than the value of the number you're looking at, then the very first number that divides it evenly is also going to be the largest integer that divides it evenly. Alright, that's it for this program. Good luck.